Jai Bharat everyone. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar once said life should be great, not long. Today remember that day. Today we are celebrating Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Jayanti. For that I would like to invite class 7th and 8th students to start the ceremony. First of all, I would like to invite Raghav for say few positive lines. Good morning. My name is Raghav Malviya. I study in class 8. Today's thought is after Ambedkar, the struggle continued, not just for right, but for dignity, equality, and the true realization of justice. Thank you and have a great day.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Rashid Raza. I study in class 7th. Today I am going to speak about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was born on 14th April 1891 and is known as the father of Indian Constitution. He was a great leader, social reformer and lawyer who worked hard for the right of Dalits and poor people. Dr. Ambedkar believed in equality, justice and education for all. He faced many difficulties in life but never gave up. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India, written by him, came into effect. Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated every year on his birthday to remember his great works. Let's follow his teaching and work for a better equal society. Thank you and have a nice day.
सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम चित्रांगी वैष्णव है। मैं कक्षा 8वीं की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं डॉक्टर भीमराव अम्बेडकर जयंती पर कुछ पंक्तियाँ सुनाना चाहती हूँ। भीमराव अम्बेडकर जी, बाबा साहेब तुम्हें प्रणाम। भारत की पावन गाथा पर अमर तुम्हारा नाम। भीम जैसा सूरज अगर निकला ना होता, हम दलितों के जीवन में यह उजाला ना होता। मर गए होते यूं ही जुल्म सहकर, अगर हमें भीम जैसा रखवाला मिला ना होता। दलित समाज सुधारक को बाबा साहेब कहते हैं। बाबा साहेब की जयंती पर आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आपका दिन शुभ हो।
Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Izwan. I am from class 8. Today I am presenting you some facts about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Let's begin. Number 1. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the first Law Minister of independent India. Number 2. But you know his economic expertise played very important role in the establishment of Reserve Bank of India. Number 3. You know that Baba Sahib was the first Indian who raised his voice for universal adult franchise. That means every adult should have the right to vote irrespective of their gender caste. Number 4. Along with this, he brought equal pay for equal work for the industrial workers. He framed many progressive laws, especially for women. He also gets the credit for reducing the working hours for labourers. Number 5. And when Nehruji rejected his Hindu Code Bill, he resigned from the position of the Law Minister. His bill was about women's equal rights and the equal widows on ancestral property. Thank you and have a nice day.
Start.
Good morning everyone. My name is Falak Jahan. I am from class 8. Today I am telling you a poem on Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. In shadows deep where cast it behind arrows for humankind, Bhimrao the name a beacon bright. He fought for justice with all his might. Born into struggle, a life unfair. He saw knowledge beyond compare. Through trials faced, his spirit swords for dignity's words. For dignity's cause, his voice outpoured, a scholar keen with wisdom's grace. He shaped the nation, found its place. The Constitution, his guiding hand, a character for all in this vast land. Against the chains of words like thunder, fierce and strong, he lit the flame of social change, rearranged the norms, set a wider range. Through time may pass, his legacy stays in freedom song in brighter days. B.R. Ambedkar, a name revived the archiest of equality forever and dear. Thank you and have a nice day.
कदम ऐसा चलो कि निशानी बन जाए, काम ऐसा करो कि पहचान बन जाए। यहाँ जिंदगी सभी जी लेते हैं, मगर जिंदगी जियो इस तरह कि सबके लिए एक मिसाल बन जाए। धन्यवाद।